I love slides! Whee! Oh no, Peppa! Are you hurt? We need to call for medical help. What kind of vehicle do we need, guys?
We need an ambulance.
Let's make one from this mold using Play-Doh, so Peppa can get to the hospital. Take this Play-Doh ball and push it down. Now it's time to get rolling. Grab this rolling pin and roll it until it's super flat. Next, I'll add the mold on top. And snip, snip with the cutter. Just like that. We don't need this extra Play-Doh, so bye-bye extra dough. Almost done. Wowza! Look at that. Our ambulance is looking amazing.
But it needs some decorations. Let's add some cool details. Wow, our ambulance is ready.
Ooh, it looks so nice.
Look, our Play-Doh ambulance transformed into a rescue vehicle.
Whoa, it's a real ambulance.
Let's go help Peppa. Get well, Peppa.
Ambulances are special vehicles that help people who are hurt or sick. They have trained paramedics and medical equipment to provide emergency care. Ambulances have different types of equipment such as stretchers, oxygen tanks, and first aid kits. They have communication devices to stay in touch with hospitals and other emergency services. It's time to close the garage for the day. Let's see who's ready to go home. Bye-bye, little car. See you tomorrow, Speedy. All the vehicles are gone for the day. Or are they? What's this? A mysterious helicopter has landed on the garage? I think I know who you are, but let's double check with Danny.
Mr. Helicopter, reporting for duty.
That's right, you're a helicopter. And it's time to bring you to life with some Play-Doh magic. Whoa, incoming! Here's my blue Play-Doh, right on time. Now, I really need to make a helicopter out of you. And I think we're gonna make it a whirly great one, right? Time to get flat. I'll use my trusty rolling pin to squish you into shape. Then I'll add the mold on top. Followed by the super cool cutter. Sounds like we're almost ready to take flight. Nobody needs this extra Play-Doh. It's out of here. Wow, it's fabulous, Danny. It would be awesome if we added some details to make it truly fly-tastic.
It sure would.
Ta-da! Now our helicopter is chopperific. It's so cool. It'll make you want to shout, "Helicopter, helicopter, flying high in the sky." Look at that! Our Play-Doh helicopter just took off and became a real flying machine. Helicopters are amazing machines that can fly up and down, side to side, and even hover in place. Did you know helicopters are used for search and rescue missions, medical emergencies, and even crop dusting? Hi, Minnie. Oh boy, are you ready for a wild ride? Where's the road taking you? Oh, I'm so excited! I'm going on a road trip to visit my friends in Toontown. I have my suitcase packed in the back of my car. And oh, looks like I've got a little something extra back here too. Hey, what's this? A Play-Doh car mold?
Wow, Minnie, can you make a Play-Doh car?
That's a great idea. Let's make a really cool Play-Doh car. Hey, look, this Play-Doh is twinning with my rolling pin. Hi, twinnies. Now, let's get this Play-Doh party started. I know I have to make a super cool car out of this bright yellow dough. Wowza, I love this sunshine yellow color. It's so happy and bright. Now, this ball needs to become flat, flat, flat. With my trusty rolling pin, of course. That's enough. It's time to add the mold and the cutter. And our car is almost ready. Aw, so cute. Our little car is born.
But this car needs wheels and lights.
Now our car is really cool and light-tastic. Vroom! It's ready to roll. And it's complete. But I still think it needs a little something extra.
I think I can help with that.
Wow, Danny, you're a Play-Doh magician. Cars are really amazing machines that take us on all sorts of adventures. Did you know that cars have different types of engines and transmissions? And they come in varying shapes and sizes. Wow, what a cool rocket! The engines look big and powerful. Let's check on the astronauts and see what they're up to. Hey, what's this? It looks like the astronauts left behind their secret rocket building tool. It's a Play-Doh mold, perfect for creating the ultimate rocket ship.
Ooh, can we use it to make a Play-Doh rocket?
Absolutely, Danny. Let's get creative and build the most epic rocket the world has ever seen. How hard is it to make a rocket out of Play-Doh? Not very, I'd say. So let's give it a try. I've got this pink Play-Doh, my trusty rolling pin, and now let's make this dough super duper flat. Time to apply the rocket mold and cutter. Then, let's remove the extra dough because honestly, we don't need it. And ta-da! Now we have a rocket.
But it's like a half rocket. No frame, no flame, so no, blast off the fame.
That's right, Danny. Let's decorate our rocket and launch it into orbit where the stars shine bright.
Wow! Rocket ignition. Liftoff to awesomeness.
And liftoff. It's rocket magic. Our Play-Doh creation is becoming a fantastic flying machine. Rockets are amazing machines that can take people and objects all the way into space. Did you know that rockets use powerful engines to blast off the ground to reach orbit? Whoa, that's out of this world. Wow, friends, I've got a feeling that there's something super cool hidden inside this bowl. Let's dig in and find out. What is it? I need some help here. It's a vehicle, but what kind?
Help is here. It's an airplane.
Whoa! Great job, Danny! Now that we know it's an airplane, let's see if we can make it out of Play-Doh. Okay, young learners, let's get our Play-Doh skills ready. We're going to make this airplane soar. And now, folks, we've got a perfect color for our airplane. Purple! It's one of Danny's favorite colors, and it'll make the prettiest Play-Doh airplane ever. Time to make this ball super flat. I'm like a Play-Doh pizza maker. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Next up, we apply the mold. Then the cutter. And voila! Let's see the results.
Wow, such a nice airplane.
After we decorate it, it'll look plain perfect.
Okay, let's do it.
Now our airplane is flying high in style. Buckle up, everyone, and let's take the Play-Doh plane for a spin. Wow, look at that! Our Play-Doh airplane just turned into a real toy airplane. Airplanes are amazing machines that take people on adventures around the world. Did you know that airplanes can fly really high and really fast? That's so cool! The garage doors are locked. We need to unlock them. Danny, let's start with the red door. Boom! Out comes the red race car. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Now, let's unlock the green door. Beep, beep. Out comes the green truck. Honk, honk, honk. Finally, let's unlock the blue door. Wow! Out comes a blue convertible, and look! There's a police car Play-Doh mold on it! Oh no! The police car needs our help! What can we do?
I know. We can create a police car using the Play-Doh mold.
That's a great idea, Danny! Let's go! Time to create a vehicle that keeps our community safe. Say hello to our black Play-Doh! Perfect for a police car! Now, let's make this ball super flat. I'm on a roll. Next, we apply the police car mold. Then the cutter. And now, let's see our police car.
Wow, it looks just like a real police car.
After we decorate it, it'll be fantastic. Let's add some flashing lights and a siren.
Can we make it look like it's moving really fast?
Absolutely. We'll add some speed lines and make it look like it's racing to save the day. Now our police car is patrolling the streets in style. Thanks for helping me create this awesome vehicle, Danny.
Let's play. Wow!
Police cars are special vehicles that help keep us safe. They have flashing lights, loud sirens, and a brave police officer who drives them. Do you see them in your community? Time to feed the animals. Oh no! The barn is on fire! I need to call 911. Oh no! Farmer John needs some help. Let's create a fire truck to help Farmer John with the fire.
Yeah, I love fire trucks. Can I help?
Great! Let's get to work. First, we need to flatten this Play-Doh ball. Who can help me roll it out? Great job! Now let's add the fire truck mold and cutter.
Hey, it's starting to look like a real fire truck.
And with some decoration, it'll be blazing awesome. Let's add a ladder and wheels for the brave firefighters. Wow, our fire truck is now ready to roll. Let's rush to Farmer John's barn house and put out the fire.
Now we can go help Farmer John with his barn.
Fire trucks are heroic vehicles that help keep us safe. They're equipped with powerful hoses, ladders, and brave firefighters. Wow, Excavator! What did you dig up?
Is that a special treasure?
It's not a treasure, but it's still super cool. It's a Play-Doh mold.
Awesome! Now we can create something new.
Let's make it digger, buddy.
Let's get digging. We're going to create an epic excavator using this awesome brown-colored Play-Doh. First, we need to squish this Play-Doh ball into a pancake. Time to get out the trusty rolling pin and give it a good roll. Now, let's flatten it out like a pizza crust. Who needs pizza when you can have Play-Doh, right? Perfecto! Now, let's add the excavator mold and cutter. This is where the magic happens. And voila! Let's see our excavator take shape. It's like a little brown miracle.
Wow, it looks like a real excavator.
Time to add some cool details like a big scoop, a long arm, and some sturdy wheels. Let's make it the coolest excavator on the block. Wow, our excavator is ready. Let's get digging and make some magic happen.
Yay! Can we make it dig a tunnel next?
Absolutely! The possibilities are endless with our awesome excavator. Wow, that's amazing! Now we can really dig and play.
Hey, let's get digging.
Excavators are heavy machines used for digging and moving objects. They're super strong and helpful. You will see them on construction sites everywhere. Thanks for joining us on this Play-Doh vehicle adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!